Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Canadian Maritimes. My voice is a little raspy after 12 days of Worldwide Award. Anyway, this video, I want to be brutally honest. And if that pisses you off, then look in the mirror. Digital modes like FT8, FT4, all the other ones are not killing ham radio. Allow me to repeat myself. Digital modes are not killing ham radio. And for some of you are like brothers who I love dearly, but we disagree on this topic. Digital modes are not killing ham radio. If you don't like the digital modes, just stay away from that small sliver of the band. Simple enough. It's a very, very small sliver of the band. Just stay away. Stay in the SSB portion. Stay in the CW portion. Do not venture outside of it. Keep your opinions to yourself because they're not warranted in anything else. You may think they are, but really they're not. Anyway, digital modes are not killing ham radio. You want to know what's killing ham radio? Arguments such as this. People who, for lack of better words, want to talk down to others who enjoy something that they don't enjoy. People against digital modes are ruining ham radio when they publicly put their stupid no FT8 signs or their stupid things on the social media or blast over people. It's you guys that are killing ham radio. It's those nasty, cruel, ignorant operators. People always tell me they appreciate this channel because of my honesty, and I'm being honest. Poor ham radio operators are ruining this hobby. Not digital mode, not QRM, not interference. Well, QRM could be caused by poor operators, but anyway, you get my point. If you don't like something, just stay away from it. Go and do something you enjoy. Don't spend your life being bitter towards something. Trust me, I did that for years. First off, nobody cares about your opinion. And secondly, it's just taking up space in your own head. The digital modes are renting space in your head, and they're winning. Just look at the facts, folks. Just look at the facts. You can't argue that. Anyway, I know this video is going to probably get some pretty crappy comments from people. It is what it is. I don't filter the comments so people get to see what you think. It's the way it is. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. If you enjoy digital, embrace it. Have fun with it. If you don't, then just stay away from that portion of the band and keep your thoughts to yourself of negativity. See you guys in the next video.